Well, hello and welcome back to the Roving Jardin. Today we're going to be looking at a Tayberry. A Tayberry which is a cross between blackberry and raspberry, absolutely full of thorns, so make sure you're protected before you start dealing with this. The old fruiting shoots which have produced well this year now need cutting off. You can normally tell the old shoots because the stems turn brown. This is an old shoot here which was tied in last year, and all these are the flowering shoots which produced fruit, and we're going to be cutting them out and tying in the new green ones. This is the base of the old flowering shoot. You can see that it's brown as opposed to a new shoot here which is green. Now the easiest way when they're all tied in and all interwoven is to take them out in pieces. So first I'm going to make a cut at the base. Then gradually work my way up the stem. Right here. Cut through the string. This is the shoot that got damaged by an insect. We did do a blog post on this insect and we will refer to it in the words on the post. Although it was damaged, because it was handled carefully, it has produced fruit. This damage does make the branch very brittle, so if you find it on a new shoot when you're tying it in, be very careful. Now, having taken that very big one out, I'm now looking at the base of shorter shoots. We can verify that this is an old fruited shoot, an old fruited stem that can be cut out. So I'm going to cut this out straight at the bottom. Again, we'll do it in small pieces. Continue to look for the old shoots. There's one here. This same treatment will apply to blackberries as well. You need to do the same thing with blackberries when they've finished fruiting. There goes the hat. We're now going to tie in the new shoots. If you want some additional plants, if you put the end of a shoot like this into the ground, weigh it down, it will produce roots, a bit like strawberry runners. You then have a new plant once it's taken roots, and you can pot it on or move it to a new place. So I'm now going to start tying in the new shoots. I'm tying these new shoots in onto wires in this case, but you could use a trellis or whatever you would like. These shoots are very delicate, particularly the tips, so you do have to be careful. And here it's a question of just running them along the wires and tying them in. Not always an easy job with gloves. If they are too long for the space you have, there is no problem with bending them round. We'll find one here that hopefully we can do this with, and bend it round on itself. Here is a long one, so what I'm planning to do is to take it across, bring it back, and then I can twist the bottom round very gently and it will continue along the next wire. I shall continue to do this with all the runners, all these shoots, and then they should be ready for fruiting next year. Thanks very much for watching. See you next time.